Hello everyone and welcome back my dear students to the offline video series of Geography of Class 6. So today in this video we are going to start with the next topic, Meridians of Longitude. In our previous part we have studied about angular distance. I gave you introduction regarding globe and I told you some information about parallels of latitude. Now in this video we are going to start with meridians of longitude. As I have told you that parallels of latitude are the horizontal lines on the earth along with the equator. Now these meridians of longitudes are the vertical lines on the surface of the globe. So the center line which divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere, that line is called as prime meridian. That prime meridian is of 0 degree and 180 degree. So prime meridian is an central vertical imaginary line which divides the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Apart from prime meridians, there are many different meridians found on the surface of the globe. Now these meridians starts from North Pole and ends at South Pole. As you go away from the equator, the length of these meridians reduces. As I have told you that meridians are of two types, 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian. Both these meridians lie towards the opposite side of the globe, and that is why it forms a circle around the globe and divides it into two equal parts, and that parts are eastern and western hemisphere. As I have told you in case of parallels of latitude that alphabet N and S is used to express the degrees of parallels on the globe of the earth. Similarly, in this case of meridians of longitude, alphabet E for east and W for west is used. For example, 10 degree east. This will give you an idea about 10 degree towards east part from the prime meridian. 20 degree west, that means it will give you an idea about 20 degree west from the prime meridian. So alphabet E and W gives you an idea that this particular meridian lies in eastern hemisphere while this particular meridian lies in western hemisphere. 30 degree E is the only prime meridian on the earth which joins to all the places to form an angular distance of 30 degree from the prime meridian. As the earth is very huge and spherical in shape, it is very easy for us to tell the location of any place with the help of latitudes and longitudes. The distance between two successive adjacent parallel is same because of the spherical shape, but the distance between two adjacent meridian is not same. The distance between meridians is maximum at the equator, but when we go away from the equator towards the pole, that distance reduces. The distance between two adjacent parallels on the surface of the earth is 111 kilometers, while the distance between two adjacent meridian at equator is 111 kilometers. So, in order to find out the location of any place on the surface of the earth, it is not possible for a person to travel 111 kilometers at that moment. So that is why these units should be reduced in order to find out the location of any place easily. That is why degrees are converted into hours, hours are converted into minutes, and minutes are converted into seconds. That is why degrees are converted into minutes, minutes are converted into seconds. So, conventionally, latitudes and longitudes are expressed in terms of degrees, minutes, and seconds, in which each degree is divided into 60 minutes and each minute is divided into 60 seconds. Here are some of the examples of latitudes and longitudes to understand. The next topic which we are going to study is Graticule. The parallels and meridians combines together on a globe of the earth forms a net-like structure. Now this net-like structure is nothing but the graticule. Graticule gives the facility of finding out location with its measurement on any surface of the earth. That is why we use latitudes and longitudes to find out any location of a place. This system is used in today's modern age very effectively. GIS, that is Geographical Information System, GPS, that is Global Positioning System, and Wikimapia of ISRO also uses the concept of latitudes and longitudes to find out the location very quickly. This technology is readily available in all the systems and Android mobile phones nowadays. Here are some of the amazing facts related to meridians of longitudes as well as graticule. The distance between any two consecutive meridians is different on different parallels. It is maximum on the equator and it is zero on both poles. So at equator, the distance between any two consecutive meridian is 111 kilometers. At Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn in north and south part is 102 kilometers. While in polar circles, that is Arctic and Antarctic circles, this distance is 44 kilometers. While near poles, that is North Pole and South Pole, this distance is 0 kilometer. We can draw 360 meridians each at a distance of 1 degree. 0 degree prime meridian, 180 degree meridian, 1 degree east to 179 east meridians. That means we have 179 meridians in eastern hemisphere. Similarly, 1 degree west to 179 west meridians. That means we have total 179 meridians in western hemisphere too. India has achieved self-reliance in global positioning technology with the help of Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Locating at any place in an Indian subcontinent is going to be very easy. For this, India is launching its own series of 7 satellites. This will make possible to locate any place in the region of South Asia and Indian Ocean. So here is the homework for you students. A game of reading the meridians on the world map is going on. Shaheen and Sanket are asking each other to locate the places on a specific meridian and are making notes of the same. Shaheen asked Sanket to locate Vrange Island on 180 meridian. Sanket could locate the island in the map, but both are confused while making a note of it. They are puzzled whether to write 180 degree east or 180 degree west. What would be the answer? So you have to try to solve the quiz which is given over here on the screen. One more question is here. Can we use a similar logic with reference to 0 degree meridian as well? This question also you have to answer.